Welcome to Quiz Puzzle. Guess these brain rot animals by their eyes, ears, and feet. 30 questions. You have 4 seconds to answer each one. Every correct answer gives you 1 point. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quizzes. Ready? Let's go. Can you guess what this is? Spijoniro golubiro. Let's continue. Any guesses for this one? Fruli frula. Moving on, guess the name. Matteo. Let's see the next. What's this? Trippy Troppy. Next one. Think you can name this? Sigma Boy. Keep it going. Name this. Tigroligre Frutoni. Another round. Which of them is Bambini Crostini? Next one. Recognize this one? Raccoony Watermeloni. Let's keep guessing. Guess this animal's name. Cappuccino Babuino. Let's keep going. How would you call this? Ballerina Nicotina? Here's another. Can you name this one right? Barorito Apple Pitolirotito. Don't stop now. Any guesses for this one? Penguinator Thermoregulator. Let's continue. Can you guess what this is? Quivioli Amelioni. Moving on. Which of them is Pepperoni Spaghettoni? Another round. Guess the name. Tub Toby Tub. Tub Toby Tub. Let's see the next. Think you can name this? Bullicini Bananini. Next one. Recognize this one? Buffalo Cactusuffalo. Keep it going. Name this. Cocosino Rhino. Another round. What's this? Linguicine Serpentine. Here's the next one. Can you name this one right? Crocodilo Ananasino. Let's keep going. Which of them is Pipi Potato? Moving on. Recognize this one? Pipi Kiwi. Let's keep guessing. How would you call this? Tortuguini Dragon Frutini. Don't stop now. Can you guess what this is? Flaming Gully Gully Gully. Let's continue. Guess this animal's name. Orcalero Orcala. Moving on. Can you guess what this is? Brr este patipum. Let's see the next. What's this? Ananasita olita. Next one. Which of them is Latena serena? Let's continue. Can you name this one right? Blueberrini Tattacini. Keep it going. Guess the name. Macachini Bananini. Another round. Think you can name this? Mangolini Perosini. Here's the next one. Guess this animal's name. Don setter. Let's keep going. How would you call this? Bombombona pecorona. Here's another. Any guesses for this one? Gangster futura criminala. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. See you in the next one.